I think this one's also a revision of a previous model, and this one has some extra sauce here because I think the original design was a little bit smaller, and this new design is a little bit bigger for the folks who are always like, Miguel, where the big knives at, Miguel? We want big knives. Don't show us the tiny knives. We want big knives. Well, listen, fam, I hear you loud and clear, and clearly so did Vosteed, because we now have a larger version of the Marten. All right, so excited to check that out. Here we go. We got the paperwork and silica gel here. We got a card, we got a sticker, we got a wiping cloth, all that good stuff. And of course, the little Velcro pouch here for the knife. Let's see what this one here is all about. Right, here we go. Oh man, this, yeah, already feels like the right size. This is definitely the size that the Marten should have originally came out as. But hey, this is why we have different tastes. This is what people often like, you know, larger, smaller knives. There's also specific laws, depending on where you live, that may limit what size knife you can carry. So that's where the OG size, I believe on the 3 inches, comes in. But this new one here, oh boy, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get this thing deployed. Bam. Right, check it out. This is the Marten 330. I believe this 3.30 inches on the blade. Vosteed has that whole naming convention. They'll put the numbers next to the model if it's a different variant with a different larger or smaller blade. So I believe 3.30 inches if the name serves right. Marten 330. And what you're getting here is a button operated liner lock with amazing action. And in case you missed it, right, check out the awesome micro milling on the aluminum handles, right? That just looks really good. This is a blue with purple, right? Sort of color combo here. The back spacer is aluminum as well with the purple, and so are the thumb studs, right? The rest of the handle obviously is a blue aluminum finish here with a beautiful micro milling. The pocket carry clip that is reversible. They got lefties in mind, and of course you're laying your whole solution back there. So it's a very sort of straightforward design, but it just absolutely works. And of course the ergos are also really, really good. I'm able to get a full 4-finger purchase grip right here, and I can always forward choke. They got a good old finger choke right here, as most Vosteed knives do. Great for EDC, gives you good control of the blade there. And also the jimping here all the way up here. Feels good, and absolutely, I mean, as hand melting as they can possibly get here with the pocket clip. Even with the pocket clip, I'm going to go 9.5. Yeah, absolutely 9.5 out of 10. Depending on where you grip, you are good to go. This is a flat grind. We're going to be doing our scientific cutting test, of course, in a moment. But yeah, of course, you got the build quality from Vosteed, as you know and love. And now just a slightly bigger Marten, right? So love to see it. Vosteed is listening to people. You guys asked for a larger knife, and they delivered. Steel here is 154 cm, right, on this one with somewhat of a grayish coat on there. Very minimal billboarding, if anything. Just what you love to see. And yeah, I'm just going to keep rambling about this one because this is one of my favorite Vosteed designs. And now that it's a little bit larger, even though I don't have the biggest hands out there, it works for me. I absolutely like it. I dig it. That belly comes handy for tabletop cutting. Flat grind is great for slicing and things like that, but more or less a size comparison showdown here. So here we go. The smallest one of the bunch is that 330 Marten, right? The new one. We got the AION from Oknife right there. Got some reach, but I think the longest one is indeed the Fenrir from Kansept Knives. All right, here's some paper again. Oh man, come on. Butter smooth. Really good. Again, 154 cm steel on that one. And oh yeah, piece of cake. Switching over to some cardboard, left to right. Oh yeah, effortless. Not even sweating it at all. There we go. So definitely delivers, guys. Breaking news. The knife cuts. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.